The ICFA University Meghalaya admission open 2024. The university offers program courses in the schools of management, humanities, social sciences, and science and technologies for both undergraduate and postgraduate programs, UG and PG programs. Full-time campus programs offered under the undergraduate programs are BBA, BCA, BCom, BTTM, BA, Economics, Political Science, English and Education. For PG programs are MBA, MCom, MTTM, MCA, MA, Political Science, English and Education, MA Khasi, MSW and MA Music. For further information and details, visit or contact the ICFA University Meghalaya Shillong Campus, Powerville near Shillong Law College, Dhangati, Meghalaya. Phone number 0364 222 0057 94851 58603 700 505 7728 8794 250646.
Following multiple complaints from passengers about auto rickshaws in Nongpor Riphoi district, the Nongpor Region Auto Rickshaw Owner and Drivers Association (NRAO and DA) and the Traffic Branch of the Meghalaya Police conducted an awareness program on driver regulations. The event held on the 17th of July 2024 near Bethany Hospital Junction on National Highway 6 also included checks for valid driving licenses among drivers. Sub-Inspector J.K. Pawar of the Police Traffic Branch reported that during the inspection, 30 drivers were found without licenses and many others were underage. Both groups were fined as a deterrent.
He don't have license, he don't have number plate, but still he is challenging police. I will not see your license now. Give me that original one. Give me that original one in your hand, not this one. The original one in your hand. I will not accept you. You are talking too much. Go and take from home, but you
Ngari Sub-Inspector J.K. Pawar Nongpor Traffic nilai ya awareness program come checking hang ni po Nongpor Battery Junction namar ba ngila check gini ki auto barok khai nang ba bun na pring gini kim don license te mus na pring jengki bare ki pekin machine sino pendong kim tip ba don license sunya la kanya e kalong ka danger kalong ka jingma ya kari pa ka pendu jingi hamtam la dia kan ukru accident pi below 18 years kidon banyak mentak sing ngila check ba ngila chibun ya kido ki bamdan ngila fine ngila compounding yaki nang banyak hot slip ngila ai ki kenang pakalong reminder yaki pakinang ni cemat kimnot chu banyak rumah teng apa ngila bubun ki case ki accident case ngila pa kimdon license pa kaweru be on the age kimdon license tenta karau ka jing na ka jing ongjong ase pai ba speed media pa ki ba bakin tip ba nang ni chemat ngile checking be man kapot banga kentui ki bri ki driver ki banyak kariru sngoba banyera banyele ya ka driver sin registration yiladi apo DTO ngim ong AAP nama kali kawan ngim usia kali kawan jongpi ngim interfere kali kawan jongpi henry kari papidan ke ID papidan ke license tangi kimene kata henry na mari criminal license ke government kam sya papinya keluar hamtam ni ke 4 lane ke babun ke jinya pai kadu ke helmet kimdan helmet nang ta onala jiaba accident kapai ke kli ke meno benlut kimi pa pli hayeng kila sem jenjar te nomor pikit bagi kun jengi kutam ta andre la dekile police kolong ba ogi police kutam ta andre nak bata jing bah jongki pai ba kinongnya pai kinongnya auto nang ni ni pen jenjar le yule di na kuntai jongki nama pin light na ngejep bagi bun beli kinong kendong ki beduk ba pemdon kini tin nak tahu ikwa bagi pinam dan kamban ICU hospital kanang bakalong safe jadi bagi pong helmet tanang tak tahu ngilek penjenjar jadi kanang banang ni cmat kalau ke kubur ki we ki tampan ki we please buat tak
The NRAO and DA President Evelyn Daw explained that the program was necessary due to the central body's negligence, aiming to educate auto rickshaw drivers in Nongpor on driving rules for passenger safety and security.
ban share hagane kapor ba ngile ya kene kakam naglen ni ka nong point adin bangilio ya ka complain ka babon nakaliang jong ki bait ba kinolek no one di badai hag temri boy bi jengi hapo jong kene ka nong po area ke jongi ki ngiyo ya ka complain hag babon habri bat ki driver auto ke jongi namar ba bunsin ngilap bat nisiam bagi driver auto jengi hagapor bagi kamai ya ki auto jengi kidon ki passenger ki ba complain ki ong bagi ki labo aj nangta ki keren ro ki ten ki baklema kor ka bamut bagi ya ki on discipline nangta ngiyos ngeuro bagi don ki driver auto jengi ki ba ki badi drug bat kidon ro hagi benai ki bladep dag borom ni haban itu ya ki insya kemat dupi ki press bagi media bagi don ro ki driver auto jengi ki balik ya ki kampeng ka kidnapping komka ngiyo ya kene complain te dag borom hagi kisha kamde ka penta jongi ka nopo ini persim ya kene senjam kade ka central body jong ka auto bade banle ya kene penta henry lakhat sau santli kisnam naklen jong ka central body ka yo thak lengai kumta ka long ke bawa lerang kumta naklen ka nopo ini ni haban sim ya kene senjam ban ya keman nak penta om ban pensleu ya ki para driver ki jongi lane komjuro ya ki nolek ki nawan henry banwan ra ya ka jing ya sultanat banwan ra ya ki jing banwan ra ya ka jing ya satu jemut ka jing singan ya kale kawan apa den jong ki nongnya auto komjuro bat ki passenger ki jongi tangta naklen jongi ka unit ngisim ya kene ka senjam ban pasat lang sya ki try jong ki auto bat komjuro ya ki para drivers ki jongi haba ngisutu bamta haba ngilektrai ilekta ngi haban penbiang ye kitiar na laying na lasem lada ngilektrai sya gelengkha ki risagi ngide ban penbiang ya umokhiu bat kawai bat kumta terter kumjur hadu banginya ye kali ide ban penbiang la ya ki license ki jongi kumjuro kai ka message ke bagian mon ai sya ki try jong ki auto lane ki driver kumjo habang isim ya kane ka senjam ban kamai lane bannya ai ki kali jingi la kilong ki auto ki ba ki local taxi semua bat kumta terter idon kam ban penbiang ya ki license ki jongi